That's my son. This is your day, it's your birthday. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Daddy.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Daddy.
This is your day. You know, I've been thinking about this. I said my son must have a big party, and that's why you're here. In fact, you're going to enjoy yourself. Look at these drinks, they're all yours.
Thank you,
You're
Daddy.
going to have fun today.
Thank you.
Let me on the music for you. Yes. Happy birthday! Yes. Yeah, my son, close your eyes. I have a special gift for you.
Wow.
Open it to see it. Open it. It's a car key. Your birthday present.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
yours.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yes, my son.
So I now have a car.
I'm proud of you, my son.
I now have
Happy
a car.
birthday.
Thank you, sir.
Happy
Thank you,
birthday.
sir.
Happy birthday. This boy is sleeping. Look at the time. At his age, his mates are working. He is here as old as he is. He's sleeping like a dog. His mates have things to do, but he's here sleeping. What nonsense is this? Get up, my friend. Look at this is the time your mates sleep. Your mates are working in their office. You are sleeping. You have a job.
Daddy. Today's my birthday. I was dreaming that you will celebrate it for me. You will give me a car.
You tell me good morning this morning. You are telling me this your birthday. What rubbish is this? Your mates are working in Central Bank. You are just staying in my house as old as you are, telling me to do birthday for you. You are stupid. You are a stupid swine. Come and wash my car for me. I'll give you 10 minutes. If you don't wash it, you have to contend me.
Finally, oh, it's about to go down. Because the money no be finally, oh, it's about to go